Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TITXF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, although it's been a few days, but that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And first thing, before I do anything else, I'm going to do a little house cleaning here. Yes, these lines that I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. So I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting. And actually, you could throw this right into a textbook, which is good of an example as it provides. But that rule states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And case in point, today, like I said, price got up above this 46-cent level, and at that point in time, according to the rule, you would want to see it act as support. And check it out. All day long, the bears kept trying to push down through there. Temporarily succeeded right there at this point, but that didn't last very long as the price quickly snapped back above it. But point being, great to see that that level held so strong. Now, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined and the chart's completely just, ruined. That's not what I'm saying at all. Ideally, yeah, you want to see the price stay above it, but if the price falls below it, it's not like it's the end of the world or anything like that. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So from a very kind of simplistic point of view in terms of how do you gauge the strength of the overall price movement, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves upwards, then the bulls are in total control. Again, yeah, it would be great if the price can stay above 46 cents, but as long as the price from a big picture perspective is above the purple line, then the bulls are in full control of the trend. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion at least, at this point in time, it's just all about doing what it's been doing in terms of building higher bases. So as long as the price continues to build higher bases, as the longer-term holders have seen and witnessed, the chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking resistance levels. So keep building higher bases, and the rest takes care of itself. So this one will be interesting to see how it closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.